Test vote. In case of wrong printing of VVPAT slip complaint. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of VCI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain the procedure to be initiated by the presiding officer in case of complaint regarding wrong printing of VVPAT slip. They will also be able to underline the form of declaration by an elector under the Rule 49MA of Conduction of Election Rules 1961. Wrong printing of VVPAT slip complaint. If an elector after recording his vote alleges that the paper slip generated by the VVPAT has shown the name or symbol of a candidate other than the one he voted, then the action will be taken by the presiding officer under the Rule 49MA of Conduction of Election Rule 1961. The presiding officer shall ask the voter to read and sign the declaration as to the allegation, after warning the elector about the consequences of making false declaration. The format of declaration by the elector under the Rule 49MA of Conduction of Election Rule 1961 is shown on the screen. If the elector refuses to give the written declaration, then nothing will be done by the presiding officer and the poll will go on as usual. If the elector gives the written declaration, then presiding officer shall make a second entry related to the elector in the Form 17A. Then the elector will be permitted to record a test vote in the EVM in the presence of presiding officer and the candidate or the polling agent. Presiding officer shall observe the paper slip generated by the VVPAT. If the allegation found true, then presiding officer shall report the facts immediately to the returning officer. Presiding officer shall stop further recording of votes in that EVM and act as per the direction that may be given by the returning officer. If the allegation is found to be false, the paper slip so generated matches with the test vote recorded by the elector, then presiding officer shall make a remark regarding the same against the second entry to that elector in the Form 17A, mentioning the serial number and the name of the candidate for whom such test vote has been recorded. Obtain the signature or thumb impression of that elector against such remark. Necessary entries regarding the such test vote shall be done in the item number 5 in Part 1 of Form 17C. Action shall also be initiated against the voter. In this educational video, we have learned about the procedure to be initiated by the presiding officer in case of allegation or complaint regarding the wrong printing of VVPAT paper slips. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.